Hey guys, Jess Starr here with the Starr team at Keller Williams Legacy Partners, standing inside our gorgeous new listing. This one is 822 Ellington Road in South Windsor, Connecticut. It is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, Cape style home. Very sweet backyard, all fenced in. There's a nice private deck and above ground pool back there. The sellers would be willing to negotiate. They have fresh paint throughout, as you can see, recessed lighting, updated brand new kitchen with beautiful granite counters and stainless appliances, tons of storage space. It is just a sweet open floor plan here that you can see. They've got this great little nook back here just for when you come in with all of your stuff and storage. And as you look, there's all hardwood floors, fresh paint, fresh lighting, nice wood burning stove. Partially finished lower level that adds 376 square feet. On the first floor, there's 2 bedrooms, a full bath that's been remodeled. Upstairs, there's a master suite that has an additional space, great for an office, great for a nursery, maybe some workout space, and lots of storage. They also have a beautiful, beautiful bath as well up there, all nice and private. And this one won't last long. New refrigerator in 2021. New lighting, new paint, new kitchen, siding was updated as well, and you're just gonna walk in and fall in love. So if you want more details on this property, you better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or you can visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.